If your radio DJ playlists keep repeating the same songs, crashing or sounding unprofessional, this video can fix that permanently. I'm going to show you how to build playlists that don't break, don't heavily repeat, and actually sound like a real radio station using the correct AutoDJ and rotation rules in RadioDJ. Playlists with no heavy repeats, playlists that don't break, and playlists that make you sound professional. That's all coming up in this full tutorial on making playlists that actually work on RadioDJ. I'll show you how to do this using AutoDJ and also using playlists created from your own rotation structure. So this video is for beginners who want the easy AutoDJ route and for experienced users who want playlists that sound fresh every day. If your playlists fail to load, run out of songs, or keep playing the same artist over and over, this video is for you. I'll also show you the exact formula to work out how many songs you need and what to set your repeat rules to so that your playlists don't crash. Before we get into the settings, let me quickly explain where most people go wrong so you don't waste hours fixing this later. There are 2 points where this tutorial makes the biggest difference. The first is when you've just installed RadioDJ. The second is when you've been using RadioDJ for a while, but your playlist sounds stale. You hear the same songs too often, some songs never seem to play, and some artists feel like they're on constant repeat. If that sounds familiar, this next part is important. Let's start with AutoDJ, because that's where most people begin, and even experienced users rely on it as a backup. AutoDJ has its own repeat rule settings separate from playlists and rotations. They work the same way, but they must be set separately. Even if you normally run your own playlists, AutoDJ can take over if a playlist runs short or the number of playlists runs out. That's why you always start with AutoDJ first. When you first install RadioDJ and click AutoDJ, you may get a pop-up asking you to select a rotation. Even after selecting a rotation, AutoDJ may still not work. This is because on first use, AutoDJ doesn't yet know the repeat rules. Click the Options or Spanner button and go into the AutoDJ settings and set the basic repeat rules. If you only have a small number of songs, you can keep this simple. You can even set these values to 1. The important thing is that AutoDJ now has rules and can actually run. If you set these rules too high for the number of songs you have, AutoDJ will fail. It may switch back to manual mode, load 1 or 2 songs, or stop completely. If you start with a small library of songs, remember to increase these values later. Otherwise, the playlist will start to sound stale. Now let's move on to rotations, because this is where many people make mistakes. AutoDJ rules can override or clash with rotation rules, so your rotation must be built correctly. When creating your first rotation, which should be your default rotation, open with the Options or Spanner button and select Rotations. Insert your category types that you created when you uploaded your songs in Track Manager. Then click here to edit the rules. This next step is very important. Set the repeat rules for each song type first. Only duplicate after the rules are set. If you duplicate first and change the rules later, you'll have to repeat the same work over and over again. For example, if you have categories like Top 40, Modern, Old, and Very Old, insert these categories first, then set the repeat rules for each one individually, save the rules, tick the box to activate them, and do this for every category before duplicating. Once duplicated, the rules are already built in, saving you a lot of time. Remember, Top 40 usually has fewer songs and can repeat more often. Older music usually has larger libraries and should repeat less frequently. Once everything is set, shuffle the order until you're happy with the hourly flow. Then save the rotation as your default or as a new one. Now let's talk about numbers, because this explains why playlists fail. In 24 hours, there are 1,440 minutes. If your songs average 3 minutes, you need about 480 songs to avoid repeating in one day. For a week, multiply by 7, which is 3,360 songs. That's why playlists can sound stale very quickly. Playlists crash when rules are too strict for the number of songs available. Even with thousands of tracks, overly strict rules can still cause failures. This is how you work out your repeat rules for the hourly rate. It's the number of plays per hour times 2 set to 60 minutes. For the daily rule, it's plays per hour times 24 set to 1,440 minutes. For the weekly rule, it's plays per hour times 168 set to 10,080 minutes. You can leave these settings for a quick setup. As your library grows, you can tighten the rules and improve sound quality. For older music, I often set artist repeats to at least 24 hours. For top 40, I usually leave this blank. These rules will become part of all of your playlist creations. This includes ones you make manually. By clicking here for playlist creation and using the default rotation or any other rotation you made, the rules that are built in are included. It also appears in your auto-created playlist because the same rotations with the repeat rules are used when building your auto-generated playlist. So if you do this right the first time, you will start with great playlists. Also, if you come back every now and again and update the rules using the formula I showed you, your playlists will sound fresher every time. Another last tip: in your track manager, make sure your tracks are loaded correctly by ticking this box when you load folders or songs. This makes sure the track manager reads the metadata correctly. If you don't, you might end up with song names and artists swapped around. If your song files only have a file name with song name and artist combined, then this might not work, so you'll have to correct this manually on each song. Now that you know how to set repeat rules properly, check out my video on automation playlist creation. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and watch one of these other broadcasting tutorials. Enjoy using AutoDJ and your own playlists for fresh songs every day.